Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to get the transcript of any YouTube shorts in 2025 step by step. It is super useful if you want to repurpose the content, study your scripts and translate them. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser here in your desktop. Now this trick will work in your desktop only, so you need to open YouTube in your web browser. Over here, click on the option of shorts and then you need to scroll and try to find that particular short you want, and now you can click on its title just like so in order to open it in the regular video player and not just in the YouTube shorts feed. Now over here you will see the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. So first of all you need to click over here. After that, click on the option of captions. Now it is going to show you that CC or the captions are enabled. So now click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen again, and here you will be able to see the option of show transcript. Now this particular option is available in some countries, so if you see that show transcript option over here, you need to select that and a panel will appear in front of you. From there you can simply get the timestamps that are used in that particular shorts, and you can also copy the transcript from that panel. It is officially provided by YouTube. Now if you are not able to see it over here, I would recommend you to check it in the description, because if you just take a look at the longer videos, let's say I'm gonna click on this one, and if you go to the description of the longer videos, you will see the option of show transcript over here. So once you click on the show transcript, you will find the whole transcript of this particular video. Similarly, you can just take a look at for the shorts one. So this is how you can find the transcript for the shorts video. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.